Morning, children. How are you? I hope you're staying safe and healthy at your homes. As you all know, we were doing the chapter First War of Independence. In that chapter, we have studied that in 1600 AD, when Mughal Emperor Jahangir was the king of India, East India Company was formed in India, and Britishers came to India and they established this company in India at different places in Surat and Kolkata and Madras. Then they defeated other traders and they became the dominant traders of India. After that, what happened? They started building forts around their factories and they started keeping army to for the security reasons of their factories. But the Indians did not like this. At that time, Bengal was a very rich province and the ruler of Bengal was Nawab Sirajuddaulah. He was not happy to see the Britishers building forts and keeping the army. So it resulted in a battle with the British, and that battle was known as Battle of Plassey, and it took place in the year 1757. In that battle, Nawab Sirajuddaulah was defeated by the Britishers and he was thrown out of Bengal. After that, this East India Company and the Britishers became very strong. Then again in 1764, a battle was held in Buxar known as Battle of Buxar. In that also, Buxar is a place in Bengal. In that battle also, Britishers were victorious and Indians were defeated. Slowly and soon, the whole of India was under the East India Company and the Britishers. The British took advantage of the rivalry among the Indian rulers and they helped one king against another and took almost all the kingdoms of India slowly. And till 1856, the whole of India was under their rule. But the farmers and the Indian people and the traders were not happy with the British because British forced the Indian farmers to grow cotton and indigo only. Cotton, all of you know what is cotton plant. They used to give their farmers very low price of that cotton and they used to send that cotton to England, and in that factories cotton clothes were made and they were again sold to Indians at a very high price. Indigo is a powder, blue colored powder, which is used to dye the clothes. They used to give the farmers, very little price for indigo. So farmers were very unhappy and they become poor and poorer day by day. Even the Indian traders had to face a number of restrictions. They were not allowed to open their own mills and factories. Britishers were very harsh to them and they were very cruel to them. So all the people of India were very unhappy with the Britishers. Children, please read this chapter carefully and then in the next class we will continue with the chapter only. Thank you.